Don't just give out gifts. Give a story. What is the story behind that gift you're giving? Now, anytime you give out gifts, make sure you're looking beyond that gift. You're giving a story. Tell them the reason why you're giving that gift. How does that gift really apply to them? What can they use it for? What has been their experiences? Share it with them. In fact, when you do this, you are emotional. You're already going beyond that gift. You're emotionally connecting to them. It makes every difference. Hey, gift lovers, you are welcome to my world of thoughtful giftings where I inspire your every gifting moment. I'm super excited to share this gifting secret with you. You don't want to miss it. So sit by and make sure you pay every attention. So, as you already know, the topic, we will just go right into it. Yeah, when it comes to gifting, the truth is that it can be quite difficult sometimes, and you do not want to just gift out anything. In fact, when it comes to gifting, we all want to make a statement. We all want to give the best. We all want to show how much we care about that loved ones. So you do not just want to do it anyhow. But sometimes this can be very, very challenging. That's the truth. Yeah, it can be quite challenging when from thinking of what to give to looking at your budget to many things you have to consider before giving out a gift. It is challenging, no doubt. But despite these challenges and pitfalls, there is a way out. That is why we are here. What is that? I'll be giving you 3 tips to help your gifting experience. Now, this is not the main secret I'm even talking about. So this video is a whole lot loaded. You don't want to miss out on anything. What are these 3 tips I want to give you? One, personalization. I would always preach personalization. As little as you think that is, it can make every difference. So you do not want to joke with this. Please always personalize your gift item. It always shows that a lot of thoughtfulness has been put into that gift before giving it out. Yeah, as little as putting their names on that gift item, as little as writing a message, your words, it makes every difference. Putting their picture or what have you. So you do not want to joke with personalization. What's the second tip I want to give you? Remember dates, important dates in your loved one's life. As little as you think this is, what is there, what is there. It makes a lot of difference. Remember their important dates, maybe their birthdays, it could be their wedding anniversary. So make sure you remember important dates. This also makes the difference and helps your gifting experiences a walk in the park. Tip number 3, experiences. Give experiences. For me, I think this is my favorite because at the end of the day, what you have left is experience, isn't it? So these experiences will never leave that person. Your recipient, your loved ones, it will not. You can give them voucher for an holiday, you can give them voucher for an experience, you can pay their online courses. With these 3 tips, your gifting experiences will always be easy. In fact, it will be a walk in the park. But like I said, I still have my main secret, the gifting secret that you do not want to miss out. And what is that? I know you're already thinking, so what is this secret? You are also thinking, what about the tough ones? What about those that giving gifts to them seems to be quite tough? Yeah, this is where the secret comes in. And what is the secret? Give a story. Yeah. Don't just give out gifts. Give a story. What is the story behind that gift you're giving? Now, anytime you give out gifts, make sure you're looking beyond that gift. You're giving a story. Tell them the reason why you're giving that gift. How does that gift really apply to them? What can they use it for? What has been their experiences? Share it with them. In fact, when you do this, you are emotional. You're already going beyond that gift. You're emotionally connecting to them. It makes every difference. Ever since I knew this, it has changed my giving experiences personally, and for many of my customers, for many of my clients, the experiences has all changed. Do not just give gift, give a story. I would share more about this in upcoming videos for you to understand better. In fact, I would go into details of how you can even achieve this. But this is just a tip of the iceberg. Much more is coming your way. That is why you must stay glued to this channel. Ensure to stay glued to this channel. Ensure you are subscribed and you turn on the notification bell so that you can get informed, the first to be notified when our video drops. So you do not want to miss out on any. Stay glued to this channel. Thank thank you again for watching. I'm super excited to have you here. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Faith, the Giftedpreneur.